Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the option sounds and vibration. Let's tap. Here we've got this ringtone section and tap on ringtone. So here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And here in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, so we can enter our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, then it will appear right here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it like that and decide whether you like it or not. So basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I would like to set this Island Breeze as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on this device will use their chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.